Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Matt's Train Stop YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video, and today we are off to the Doncaster Toy Fair. This is the big one at the end of the year, so got all this van packed up nicely ready to go, and all that's left to do is sit back and enjoy the video. Gonna be a really busy day, really busy. It's expected to be a bumper turnout, and obviously, and all the advertising on YouTube. You guys know the amount of times I've shouted it out in previous videos. So I'm hoping to see some of you guys today. Be nice to chat to some of yous. That's fine. Get a bus through there. Good. Right. Welcome to Doncaster, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we've got the racecourse stand behind us. Obviously, we're not trading up there, we're trading in there. So, I just want to give you a little bit of brief history of Matt's Train Stop and how this business all started. It started here, right here. 2016. September 2016 was the first ever toy fair I did at Doncaster Racecourse. So yeah, this is probably my most important toy fair event of the whole calendar, simply because this is where it all started. It has a special connection to me. A bit of nostalgia always comes back walking through them doors. Still makes me feel like a bit of an 18-year-old walking through the doors for the first time every time I come down. So yeah, there is always that nostalgia feeling. Right, so the plan is now to obviously unload the van and to get set up. So let's get on with it.
Let's go!
Okay, let's go. .45. So officially trading has only been going for 45 minutes. We sold 40 items. That, I mean, I'm including the guy which is hoarding about 30 items under. Yeah. Get a look on that. Well, that's just one bloke's purchase right there. But no, it's been a fantastic sale. No, but this everything's priced to sell, everything's priced to go, and the aim of the game, as I always say on my channel, is to come back home with a lot less than what I bring. It's always the aim of the game. Because otherwise it's a disappointing day then, isn't it? So this is the book I log everything down in. So if you look at this, this has a product code on 026. So all I do is write 026, and then it all gets logged onto the computer. So nothing gets mistaken, and every single item is logged. So I'm just saying, it's just gone 10:30 now. The main doors have opened, although people don't usually start coming round to about 11:30. Like, everybody slowly trundles in and they do like a lap round to see what's what, and then they start buying things. Usually about 11:30, 12 o'clock, 12 is usually when it really kicks off. Hello. No, there's no code on it. Just record them all, sometimes there isn't. No worries, thank you. That's page 1, that's page 2. That's what you want, mate. Finally there, ready to go. There we are. Oh, swept off my feet, but in a really, really good way.
Yeah?
In a really good way. We don't usually sell train sets and locomotives, to be fair.
Yeah.
At the toy fairs, they usually sell more at the model railway exhibitions. But today, locos, train sets, have been going.
That nice?
So it's a bit of an anomaly today, but I ain't got a problem with that. Lovely stuff. Lovely, thank you. So, we've sold 114 box items, 20 pieces of track, so that's 134 items, which is a record by a long way. Probably over doubled what we usually sell in unit wise, which is ridiculous. And it's still going. It's good though, like, just to think, we're not going to be bringing anything home, are we? In all of the 10 years, or nearly 10 years I've been coming here now, this is the busiest stall I've ever seen me do. So this is a generational run. It's a generational run. It's been fantastic. We've cleared so much of the table, and we've been putting more things out, and then they've been going. So it's been a fantastic day. It's been a good business day. There we are. Yeah,
you might send us another £2.50 off.
Yeah.
All right.
Cheers.
Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This is the end of the day now. We're about to pack up, and I just want to say a massive thank you to you all for turning out. It's been an absolutely wonderful turnout. It's been a ridiculously good event today, the best I've ever been part of. Thank you to, like I said, to loads of you coming down and supporting the business, supporting the channel. Anything left? It's genuinely, I think we've like emptied half the van. There's only the tables and one other run left to do. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we've arrived back at base. It's time to unload the van. So this is where I'm gonna love you and leave you all. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for watching the Matt's Train Stop YouTube channel. Thank you for a wonderful day at Doncaster, and if you're new around here, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the Matt's Train Stop YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.